What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can connect your Plutus card to the Curve wallet app. Also, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, I will leave my Curve affiliate link in the description below, so if you don't have a Curve account already, you can use that to sign up and support the channel in the same time. So let's get started. First off, you need to get your Plutus card information. So just open up your Plutus app and go over to the cards menu right here. Here you can find all of your Plutus cards, but for this example I will be connecting my Plutus virtual card to the Curve app. So to see your details, you need to click Show Details right here. Then the card will flip and you can copy the card number. Once you copy the card number, exit the Plutus app and open up the Curve app. Once you're in Curve, swipe up to the right until you see this Add Card window right here. So to add a new card, just click this plus icon, and then a new window with empty boxes that you need to fill in will load. So in these empty boxes, just type in your card information. So in the card number box, we will just paste the card number that we previously copied from Plutus. Once you pasted the number, you need to get the card expiry date and your CVC. So we will go back to the Plutus app and we will copy the CVC and remember the expiration date. Then you need to return to the Curve app and paste that information over. Once you inputted all the information about your card, you can click Add Card to Wallet. Then Plutus will send a verification code, so you just need to input it and verify your card. After the card verification process, your Plutus card will now be added to your Curve account. And because I already previously connected this card in the past and then disconnected it and now connected it back again, you can see some transaction history. So that's how you can connect a Plutus virtual card or a Plutus physical card to your Curve wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.